If you are looking for customization, JewelryNest Concierge is our renowned service, including the custom manufacturing of jewelry and custom design on special requests. We treat each of the members of JewelryNest as partners. Therefore, we try and assist them with everything they need. JewelryNest will save your precious money and time and ensure that everything you require is provided to you in the right way and on time. JewelryNest is not just limited to completing the custom projects for you. We also ensure that it is done perfectly. Do you feel tense after submitting a project and waiting for the results? Follow the tested and real process to make sure that the clients get exactly what they wanted. Step 1. Once you provide us all the details, we will give you an estimate. Lifelike CAD rendering will be provided within 1 to 3 working days. Step 2. Review the design with your client. Once the design is approved, the model will be printed. Step 3. Then the production starts, and the completed piece will be delivered within 7 to 10 business days. We adapt our JewelryNest services according to each of the retailer's needs, as we know that no two retailers are the same. We offer various levels of services and many stone and diamond qualities to include various retailer requirements. Feel free to contact us at 516-569-9267. JewelryNest, where beauty and affordability meet.